Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable keep screen on function on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Here go to the second section, the reading, and here you can find the last option, the screen on, under the multi-document mode. Keep the screen on for 10 minutes longer than your current system setting. If you want to enable this function, click to the next white circle icon, and if it will be turn yellow, this function will be enabled, so the screen on function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.